Is your Zanussi freezer alarm constantly beeping? This usually indicates a problem that needs immediate attention to prevent food spoilage and energy waste. The three most common culprits are the door seal, the temperature sensor, and the fast freeze reset function. We'll show you how to diagnose and fix each issue. Start by visually inspecting the door seal for any damage, dirt, or misalignment. A faulty seal lets warm air in, triggering the alarm. Next, consider whether the fast freeze function may have been accidentally activated, as this can also cause continuous beeping. Finally, understand that a faulty temperature sensor may also trigger the alarm if it detects fluctuations above 15°5°. Don't panic. Most of these issues are easily resolvable at home. For a leaky door seal, clean it thoroughly with warm, soapy water and a touch of vinegar to remove any grime. If the seal is warped or damaged, consider replacing it. Parts are usually available online. To reset the fast freeze function, try holding the power button or the fast freeze button itself for 5 to 10 seconds. If the temperature sensor is suspected, visually inspect it for any signs of condensation or damage. Replacement sensors are affordable, and online tutorials can guide you through the process. Remember, annual seal checks can significantly reduce future alarm issues. If problems persist, refer to your Zanussi Freezer's manual or the Electrolux Home Plus app for advanced diagnostics and potential error codes.